The next lesson is adding brushes for Illustrator Lab 4. So you'll open the Armadillo file and you'll see different elements that have lines involved. And what you'll do is get out your brushes. So we're going to talk about brushes, window brushes. And you have some default and then some have been added for this assignment. And you're going to apply them to all the different elements. So if I click on the snake and I add that pattern, it's like a repeated pattern, you just click on it and it'll change over to an arrow. Here's like a swirl. Here's a rough looking line. Here's diamonds. So each one of these elements need to have some new, here's some different looks. And what you can do is change the stroke width just like a regular solid line. And you can see that it changes the look of the brush stroke. So if I clicked on that, it would look different. So if you clicked on these plants, you could click on any line, even if it's a shape, not just a line, but an outline. A shape can have a border that you've changed. If I increase this stroke, you can see how that looks. And you can even change the color. So there's a lot you can do with brushes. When you're applying, see, that doesn't work, so you do have to play with it a little bit. Here's like a smaller looking line. So add some brushes to these lines, these strokes, and see what you think. It doesn't have to be real, obviously if you wanted to do this you could, and if you wanted this to be smaller you can, but play around with it and then turn this in. This is something to turn in with your name on it, so do a save as so I can see that you've did the brushes assignment.